App Store Optimization, or ASO, is the process of improving your app's visibility and conversion rates within app stores like Apple's App Store and Google Play. It's the art and science of turning casual App Store visitors into loyal users. In a world flooded with apps, ASO is your ultimate weapon to stand out and grow organically without depending entirely on ads. So, why does ASO matter in 2025 more than ever before? The app ecosystem has exploded. There are over 5 million apps competing for attention, and that number grows daily. With so many apps vying for the same audience, it's no longer enough to simply build a great app. If your app isn't discoverable, it's invisible. And if your app isn't converting visitors, it's losing the fight. That's where ASO comes in. Let's break it down. First, ASO impacts how your app ranks in search results and in top charts. Just like SEO helps websites rank in Google, ASO helps your app show up when someone searches for a relevant keyword in the app stores. Better visibility means more potential users see your app, increasing the chances they'll download it. Second, ASO influences how users perceive your app. Your app's icon, title, screenshots, and descriptions are your first impression. You have only seconds to capture attention. That's why compelling visuals and clear keyword-optimized text are essential. They're the difference between someone scrolling past and someone clicking install. Third, ASO is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing strategy. App stores are dynamic. They change algorithms, introduce new features, and adjust ranking factors. What worked last year might not work today. That's why ASO requires constant iteration, testing, and updating. In 2025, App Store algorithms are more sophisticated than ever before. They prioritize apps with strong engagement and retention rates, alongside traditional factors like keywords and downloads. That means ASO is no longer just about getting downloads. It's about building sustainable growth, increasing user lifetime value, and creating an app that people keep coming back to. ASO in 2025 also means embracing advanced tools and analytics. We now have AI-driven platforms that provide insights into competitors, market trends, and keyword opportunities in real time. You're no longer guessing or relying on gut feelings. You're leveraging data to make smarter decisions faster. But here's the most exciting part. ASO is more than a growth strategy. It's a mindset shift. It's about understanding what your users want, what your competitors are doing, and how to stay ahead. It's about building an app experience that's not only optimized for algorithms, but also loved by humans. So whether you're an indie developer launching your first app or a marketer managing a global portfolio, ASO is the foundation of your app's success. It's how you go from invisible to unmissable, from just another app to an essential download. Throughout this course, we'll break down every piece of the ASO puzzle, from metadata to visuals, from reviews to retention, so you can master the strategies that work in 2025 and beyond. By the end, you'll have the knowledge, tools, and confidence to make your app not just another icon in the App Store, but a must-have experience. Get ready to unlock the power of ASO. Let's make your app unstoppable.